Citywide Emergency Broadcast System. This is not a test. At exactly 12:22 a.m., Gotham officials declared a full-scale bioterrorist emergency following the confirmed releases of a highly lethal toxic gas throughout Gotham. The release was coordinated, strategic, and catastrophic, with confirmed sightings in the following areas: the Narrows Amusement Mile, Otisburg, Robinson Park, downtown Gotham. The toxin, believed to be a new hybrid strain, spreads faster, lasts longer, and triggers more violent neurological effects than any prior known variant. Survivors and first responders describe horrific, sanity-breaking visions along with major physical and behavioral effects. Victims have experienced veins turning dark purple, bulging beneath the skin, rapid heartbeat, surges of adrenaline and rage, violent, erratic behavior, attacking friends, family, or themselves, screaming fits, self-mutilation, and disassociation from reality. Several citizens were found with their own fingernails and eyes ripped out of their sockets. For all surviving citizens, please follow these protocols. Shelter in place immediately. Do not go outside under any circumstances. Seal all doors, windows, vents, and chimneys. If exposed, cover nose and mouth with cloth soaked in vinegar, alcohol, or bleached solution. The GCPD is barely holding. Several precincts have gone completely dark. Emergency hotlines are overwhelmed. A state of martial lockdown is in effect. Remain indoors until further notice.